Ball out, baby. I've been balling since the 6th grade. Earrings were so big, couldn't even see my damn face. Did you get the mixtape? Ball ain't no NBA. I be balling not with that ball, but with that damn.
What's up, YouTube? Y'all know what the fuck going on, man. I'm in the airport. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I gotta put the camera close to my face, man. Y'all know. I got on the mask, bro. I can't get that corona, bro. But I'm here, man. Suited and booted. Mask on, gloves on. Not playing around, bro. And, bro, I keep hearing people cough, bro. This shit is disgusting, bro. People is in here, like, naked, bro. Like, look at them. Look at this nigga. Hold on. So, he don't have nothing on, bro. They act like this corona shit is a game, bro. This shit is real, bro. But I'm on the way back to the crib, bro. They shut school down, bro. But now we have online class. We got online class until they say so or whatever, bro. So it's really my spring break right now. So I'm not really missing shit, but say for instance that Monday we supposed to come back, I don't have to come back. I'm finna just stay in Chicago, bro. Hopefully I get to go to Jamaica. That's what I'm trying to do. Hopefully I get to go to Jamaica, but I don't know, bro. The way the United States tripping, bro, I would hate to try to travel somewhere out the country and then be stuck, bro. Like that's a nightmare, bro. So we gonna figure that out though. But y'all see me, man. Come on, man. I feel like I'm on that game, the division, bro. But yes, sir. I'm just vlog today, man. Get y'all some little content on my little, you know, endeavors back to the rock, baby. Let's go.
I'll be happy to receive you. So that we can push back from the gate, we need everyone in a seat.
Man, motherfuckers on here, man. On the way back to the rack, baby. I miss home.
Leaving that area around your feet completely clear. At this time, please tie down all large portable electronic devices 2 pounds or higher. If you wish to use it after takeoff, you may store it underneath the seat in front of you. Alright, folks, it's going to be 1 hour, 55 minutes, wheels up to wheels down to Chicago Midway. Good morning and welcome aboard.
Boy, this shit is a hit. People sleep on it, man. It's okay, they gotta wake up eventually. Guess what, y'all? I'm by myself. Yes, sir. So y'all, I have my bags and all that, but hey, hold on, I'm gonna tell you, I got my bags and everything. But bro, My dad has one job, bro. One fucking job. One job. I tell him, he texted me yesterday, he's like, send me your flight information. I'm like, alright. So I'll take a screenshot, whatever the flight number, and the airport is going to. I'm at Midway. The airport clearly, it says Houston Hobby to Midway. Midway International. So I send that to him. We say, okay, alright, see you tomorrow, have a safe flight. I'm like, alright, thank you. Jay. So after I get my bag, I call him. I call him like, yeah, Dad, I'm here. No, I call him, he ain't answer. I text him like, I'm here. When he answer, I'm like, that typical dad. My dad is always late. That nigga's gonna be late to his own funeral, bro. I'm telling you, my dad gonna be late to his own fucking funeral. But I'm like, alright, whatever. I'm finna just go sit down. I called this nigga. Well, no, he called me back. He like, I don't know why I thought you was going to O'Hare. O'Hare is the fucking airport that is like an hour away from the city, bro. But like, I don't know. Like, our aunt, she like has a house out there in Long Grove, so he went out there thinking I was flying out there. But no, nigga, no. I'm mad as hell. Now I gotta sit here for an hour and some change, bro. Cause you messed up, and I obviously said it's not like I didn't tell you. I clearly sent you a picture, bro. Bro, folks be killing me, bro. But I had a good talk with my mama right now, bro. She's relaxed, keep calm. Everything happens for a reason. You know, you gotta find favor in everything. So I'm right here just chilling, man. Finna watch a movie or some YouTube or something, bro. I got you. I'm just hot. I'm mad, y'all. I'm angry. I'm angry. But it's okay though. The day gonna get better though. Like I tell everybody, life is amazing. Hey, y'all don't tweak. I know y'all like, damn, look at them wires. Hey, my AirPods died, hoes. So I had to, go back to the conventional method, nigga. But I'll get back up with y'all in a little bit. Oh, fuck. Y'all, this nigga, he finally got me, bro. Yeah, come on, focus, ho. Yeah, he finally got me, y'all. We at Sam's Club right now, bro. We finna go get some food for my granny, bro, cause we don't want her coming out here in this madness, G. We don't want her coming out here in this madness, bro. People over here tripping, bro. You know, old people are super vulnerable to this damn virus, so we don't want her dealing with that. So we finna go get her some grilled turkey, like she asked. Y'all thought I was capping what? It is madness in here, bro. Look at all these people in here. It is madness, bro. And we finna have to stand in line, bro. All types of other shit. Look at all these people here, bro. All these old people, they got their shit covered up. Hey, the government, China, y'all bogus as hell for this one, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all bogus as hell for this one. Yeah, when I tell you my dad dressed like an old nigga, bro, like, look at this nigga's fit. Bro, this nigga dress over with, boy. This ass dressed like he like old ass nigga, bro. You know, when you get old, they'll be giving a fuck about how they look and shit. Over with. Yo, I'm over with. Why did I come in the store? Excuse me, I'm sorry. Why did I come in the store with no gloves on? Extreme. I'm touching this motherfucker. It's okay, God. Please let me get sick, Father God. Please let me just be able to go in the crib and wash my hands and let that fix everything. It's ugly out here, bro. Yeah, this nigga got me sitting in the freaking car, bro. It's hot as hell in here. He just got me sitting. I got on all black, so you notice the sun is eating my ass up. Man, today is just not it, but, life is amazing. Life is amazing, man. Photogram. Let me sit outside Mariano's. Only real Negroes know about this. If you're not real, you don't know shit about that. Photogram. But, man, I ain't really got shit to talk about. Yes, I do. I fucking laugh. Bro. So I look, when I was in the fucking store, bro, I thought about it like, gee, They doing this shit on purpose, bro. This mass ban and shit, bro. I feel like this shit is the government purposely doing this shit, bro. Because look, you know how they say, no, don't gather, don't gather, don't gather. They closing everything down. Guess what? They not closing grocery stores. And I know people be like, oh, well, you gotta be able to eat, you gotta be able to buy food. Yeah. But at the same time, bro, you go in the store and everybody touching everything. Like, everybody's touching everything. You gonna touch something that probably 10 other people done touched. And then everybody don't have on gloves. I went in there like a goofy. I went there without my gloves on, without my mask on. I was tripping. But a lot of motherfuckers was in there like that too, though. Everybody, like, a lot of people just had on their hands, their skin. That was their only protection, was their skin. But I was thinking on, like, bro, they're doing this on purpose, bro. Like, they want us to separate, but they putting us in situations where we gotta gather. Come on, man. My third eye's open, bro. It's open. Seeing all of this, bro. Another example. The airport. Bro. They say they don't want us gathering together, but they put us on airplanes with 150 plus people. And not only that, you at 35,000 feet and you, like, somebody sneeze, that shit just up there with y'all for the next 4 hours. Or however long your flight is, the duration of your flight. Bro, I'm telling y'all, bro. I got so much shit, like, so many little conspiracies about this, bro, like, that I really think is the truth, bro. Like, this shit is crazy, bro, but I'm gonna be happy to say that I survived a time like this, bro. Or I went through I could sit back and tell my grandkids, yeah, I survived a germ war for no grade, man. But hopefully this nigga not in here too much longer, bro, because I'm really getting hot as hell, bro. And I'm ready to go, like, to sleep. I've been up since 4:30 this morning, bro. Yeah, because that's what time we went to the airport. So I've been up since 4:30 this morning. I just wish this nigga would hurry the hell up. Oh, but I love y'all, though, man. I'm just gonna get this back busting, bro. Talking to a camera is easy, bro. And you tell me niggas are getting paid millions of dollars to do this, sign me the hell up. My phone up. All right, bro. I'm done talking. I'm done bullshitting. Y'all, so I finally made it back to the crib, G. Bro, my dad was in the grocery store shopping like it was the apocalypse, bro. Like, you should have seen how full the car was, bro. Like, I ain't even know a Mercedes-Benz had that much storage room, bro. Like, nigga, he was in that bitch going crazy. But the refrigerator downstairs stuffed, bro. I done took my shower, bro. I done ate, bro. I'm cooling. And G, I was sitting down there eating dinner with my family, G. Why did we get this news, bro? So, you guys know I flew into Midway, to the little airport in Chicago, bro. So look, we sitting down eating. Why did we get the news that, bro, the tower, like the control tower, bro, Midway, it closed because several employees tested positive for COVID-19. Yo, this shit is serious, bro. Like, what the hell? Like, everybody, it just keep going on and on. And I'm just thinking, bro, I'm like, this the airport I just literally flew in this morning, bro. And some of us just tested positive for COVID. Gee, this shit is scary, bro, and it's kind of scaring me. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But I don't know, man. I'm probably gonna go get tested for this shit, bro. Cause I'd rather be safe than sorry, bro. Oh God, I'd rather be safe than sorry. You know, in that way, like, if that was the case, bro, I wouldn't put other people's lives in danger. Cause I would know how to self-quarantine myself, bro. Pop my meds and just, you know, get back healthy versus me being a lame, going around shaking everybody's hand, dapping people up, bro. You know, giving kisses, hugs, and all that. And I'm spreading shit to all these different people when I could have just stopped it. If that's the case, hopefully it's not the case. I don't feel sick. I feel fine. But if that was the case, you know. But y'all, this concludes this YouTube video. Yes, sir. I got some more stuff coming for y'all. Y'all know this already. I keep saying y'all know this. But yes, sir.